ਨਾਗਰਿਕਤਾ ਸੋਧ ਕਾਨੂੰਨ ਦਾ ਵਿਰੋਧ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਵਿਦਿਆਰਥੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਲਗਾਤਾਰ ਦੂਜੇ ਦਿਨ ਜਾਦਵਪੁਰ ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਿਟੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਪੱਛਮੀ ਬੰਗਾਲ ਦੇ ਰਾਜਪਾਲ ਜਗਦੀਪ ਧਨਖੜ ਦੇ ਕਾਫਲੇ ਦਾ ਘਿਰਾਓ ਕੀਤਾ। ਮੰਗਲਵਾਰ ਸਵੇਰੇ ਰਾਜਪਾਲ ਸਮਾਰੋਹ ਵਿੱਚ ਸ਼ਾਮਲ ਹੋਣ ਲਈ ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਿਟੀ ਪਹੁੰਚੇ ਸੀ, ਪਰ ਪ੍ਰਦਰਸ਼ਨਕਾਰੀ ਵਿਦਿਆਰਥੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਰਾਜਪਾਲ ਨੂੰ ਅੱਗੇ ਵਧਣ ਨਹੀਂ ਦਿੱਤਾ। ਰਾਜਪਾਲ ਖਿਲਾਫ ਨਾਅਰੇਬਾਜ਼ੀ ਕੀਤੀ ਗਈ। ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਰਾਜਪਾਲ ਨੇ ਕੁਲਪਤੀ ਅਤੇ ਪ੍ਰਸ਼ਾਸਨ ਖਿਲਾਫ ਗੁੱਸਾ ਕੱਢਿਆ।
It's a very painful moment for me as Chancellor and as Governor. Our students are waiting in the convocation to get their degrees, fruits of their hard-earned labor. The Chancellor is here at the gate. Handful of people you have seen, students not being there, are holding the system to hostage. A democracy is being chained. Rule of law is collapsing. University management is doing nothing at all. The state administration is doing nothing at all. All this has happened because state has chosen to put education in captivity. It is remote controlled vice chancellor who is acting in this manner. How can employees be so at large to play havoc with the career of students? I have never seen such collapse of law. Those who have to look to it will be held accountable. I cannot be a silent spectator. How can I afford as chancellor to see students suffer a very painful situation? I appeal to the media, show them handful of people playing with fire, ruining democracy, ruining education fabric, destroying the career of students. Can this be ever approved? There must be public outcry at it. State government has brought the situation to this level that they have put education system in captivity, totally politicized. DNA has been poisoned, and that's a sad day for democracy, sad day for educational institutions. I will not withstand such a situation as a constitutional head. I appeal to the government, I appeal to the Chief Minister that entire situation has been generated on account of lack of administration at her level, lack of administration by the university authorities. Can it ever happen that university can't take action against its employees?
The Chancellor, who is also the governor of the state, has absolutely no business to come to Jadavpur University when the entire student community is opposed to him and they have clearly refused to take the degree in his presence. Because he has time and again used the chair of the governor to tweet in favor of CAA, which is, we feel as students of Jadavpur University, is an unconstitutional act. Currently, there are 60 petitions which have been filed in the Supreme Court. I am one of the petitioners, where I have argued that the CAA clearly violates Article 14 of the Indian Constitution, right? So the governor had no business being in a constitutional position to continuously tweet in favor of the CAA.